The leopard began to approach and observe the movements of its prey. The leopard bites the prey's neck, and the dog immediately reacts and screams loudly. The fighting continued, both sides struggling back and forth. Right after that, the leopard easily defeated the prey and let it go. Predators. It can attack different animals in the wild. It's very rare for leopards to hunt dogs, and usually only happens when they feel threatened or when dogs are potential prey. However, these are cases where a leopard can attack a dog. If the dog is threatening to attack the leopard in the leopard's land. Wild dogs are often kept and have a close relationship with humans. In the wild, dogs are not usually the prey for tigers. However, these cases are very rare. When dogs and other animals get lost in the tiger's area and then get attacked. Pumas biting a dog's neck. It still bit the dog's neck even though it was chased away by many people. Leopards breaking into residential areas can also pose a danger to humans when they hunt livestock or pets, such as dogs or cats. Fronting two lions is a very dangerous situation for dogs, because lions are professional predators and can take down animals many times larger than dogs. Fortunately for the dog, these two lions were full, so the dog was not attacked by them.